Hello and welcome to Across the Globe. On today's headline, we have Stephen Urueye, resident doctors speak on killing of colleague, make demand. This news is written by John Owen Owajoko. The National Association of Resident Doctors, NAD, has condemned the alleged murder of one of its members, late Dr. Stephen Urueye. This condemnation is contained in a statement made available to newsmen on Friday in Ibadan. The news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reported that Urueye, undergoing his internship at the Lagos State University of Technology, LUTH, was allegedly stabbed to death by some hoodlums in Idi Araba, where the teaching hospital is located. NAN's report that the statement was jointly signed by the President and the Publicity Secretary of the Association, Dr. Olusegun Olagba and Kafas Brewise, respectively. The association described the alleged murder of Urueye as gruesome and unfortunate. According to the association, the killing of the young doctor constitutes a huge loss to the medical profession and to the country in general, especially at a time when the health sector is bereaved by manpower shortage. The body of the doctors appeals to the police to ensure that those found guilty of the heinous crime should be brought to book. It also called on the government at all levels to urgently address the increasing spats of insecurity and pockets of violence in different areas across the country. The statement said Dr. Urueye was stabbed in front of the hospital in the evening of Thursday, April 4 through 19 by some unknown men. The medical education is a great task and loss of sacrifice to students, parents, and even the nation. Such great investment should not be allowed to be cut off when Nigerians need the services of young professionals as this to mitigate the ominous threats in manpower provision for a health sector. Despite of insecurity call for question the premium placed on human life, and we wish to re-emphasize that every Nigerian citizen deserves, among other things, the guarantee of safety, whether at workplaces or on the street or at home. They also call on the acting Inspector General of Police to bring the perpetrators of the heinous crime to justice. We also use this medium to call on all the stakeholders, including parents and the vulnerable public, to support this clarion call on the security outfit in Nigeria to ensure that the living of average citizen counts its head. The association also appealed to President Muhammad Buhari-led administration to ensure the full implementation of basic package of health care fund in the 2019 appropriation. It said this could cater for free emergency service even in the most remote locations in the country. This will definitely help at hospitals in providing prompt and effective emergency care to helpless citizens when the need arises. We appreciate the prompt response of the management and staff of Lagos University Teaching Hospital to the unfortunate incident. We appeal that the capacity of a facility be improved to cater for the ever-increasing demand in emergency service, it says. Thank you for watching our video on Across the Globe. It's just a shocking news that the resident doctors have lost a hero, and besides, not just the resident doctor, but Nigerian as a whole. Please, you can drop your comments in the comment section because of the issue of the insecurity in this nation. What do you think, or what do we expect, or what do we want the government to do? Drop your comments and let's share our opinion together. Thank you for watching across the globe. Goodbye.